Cedar Point has officially announced for 2023 a Zamperla Wild Mouse is coming to the park. Well, they didn't say it was obviously Zamperla, but we could decipher that just from the ride vehicles and also the layout. The layout is slightly different from other Wild Mouses by Zamperla, but that's okay. That would offer a different ride experience, and there is going to be a spinning element added to the ride according to Cedar Point. Track length 1,312 feet, top speed 35 miles per hour, ride duration about 1:10. Their 18th coaster at the park. And there's also going to be a couple other relocated attractions along the boardwalk with it, a couple other rides, and then obviously the main pavilion that we've announced before. And this is just kind of showing what the ride vehicle will look like. And also the track, it'll be a spinning mouse, so it will have some elements and some sections that will be spinning elements of it. And they said in the announcement that they're going back to kind of the old times at the boardwalk where they used to have a Wild Mouse coaster. And then they're also relocating Matterhorn, and also they're relocating the Scrambler ride. And then Tiki Twirl is going to be renamed Calypso, so that was another one of that, and that'll be also in the same general area along with the Ferris wheel swing ride, which is Windseeker, and also Gatekeeper. So they're just reimagining the boardwalk, and this is going to make it fully complete. Let me know what you think in the comments below, what you think, and we will have more announcements. We have Canada's Wonderland and also Carowin videos coming up here this afternoon. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, this is Chris signing off.